Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Harcharan Singh and today we'll be learning how to insert hyperlinks in Excel, how to edit an hyperlink, how to add a hyperlink in different shapes, and lastly how to change the color of a hyperlink and using the hyperlink formula. So let's get started. So I have an index here for different sheets in the workbook. So for example, I have a chapter here which says basic of Excel chart. This is the YouTube link for that video. I want to create a link to this tab which has these details, the basic of Excel chart here. So I'll activate this cell. I'll go to insert and on the right hand side link. Once you click on the link, this window will pop up. It'll ask you whether you want to link an existing file or a web page. If you want to link a place in this document, create a new document or an email ID. So currently I want to add a place in this document. So I'll click on this and I'll go and add the worksheet, which is, I'll click on this worksheet which is basic of charts. You can also change the cell reference here if you want. You can, I don't want to go to A1, I want to go to A10. So I'll click here. We can change the text to display. I just want to show it like this, basic of charts. Click OK. So it has created a hyperlink. If I click on it, it will take me to that worksheet. So that's how you can add a hyperlink for a specific sheet. If you want to change the color, if you see, once I clicked on this link, it went green. So if you want to change the format of this hyperlink, you want to change the font color or anything, you just need to click on this link, go to this and go to home and then go to cell styles. Once you go to cell styles, this window, you can change this hyperlink and followed hyperlink options. Just need to right click on this, go to modify and go to format. You can change whatever color you wish. So I'll do orange here. Click OK. So once I click on this, it will turn orange. So you see it has turned orange here. So that's how you can change the color of a hyperlink. So you can even insert a hyperlink in this cell for a web page. So you need to go to insert, go to this option which says link, and here select this option which says existing file or a web page. Once I click on it, it'll ask me the address. I'll paste the address here. This is the link to my channel, and I'll change the display is link to YouTube channel. Once I click OK, it'll create a link here. Once I click on this, it'll take me to my channel's web page. So we can even insert hyperlink to a shape. So for example, I'll just insert a shape here like this and I'll type in the text VLOOKUP. Okay, I'll right click on this and go to link. So I'll add a place in this document for this particular tab. I'll go to VLOOKUP. So this is the VLOOKUP tab. I'll click on this. I'll click OK. Just created a link, so it will act as a button. If I go onto it and click, it will take me to the VLOOKUP page. So we can even insert the hyperlink in a picture. So for example, I'll insert a icon here or a picture. I'll go to icons and I'll type in any icon like chart. I'll click on this. That's the icon. Let me change the color. Okay. Right click on the picture, go to link, and this is a link for daily run rate calculation. So I'll go to place in this document, scroll above, find the sheet, daily run rate DRR. Okay, I'll click OK. So it'll act as a hyperlink now. Once I click on it, it'll take me to that sheet itself. So in case you want to remove a hyperlink from an object or cell, you just need to right click on that object and click here which says remove link. Similarly, you can do it on the chart itself. I can remove link, so there will be no longer a hyperlink here once I click. The other option is if I don't want this link to show like this and I want to link it, I want to term it as a different text. How can I do that? Using a formula. So there's a formula inbuilt in Excel which is hyperlink. This is it. First we need to give the reference for the link. What exactly is the link? Comma, what is the name you want to show it as? So I want to show it as basic Excel chart. Bracket close, enter. So it will add a text here which will act as a hyperlink. So once I click on it, it will take me to that web page where this video is. So in case you've learned something new and this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I can see more than 90% of the people have not subscribed to the channel. Please click on the subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.